Welcome to the Virginia Beach Sea Level Rise Story Map. This application is embedded with dynamic maps to enable hands-on interaction with the data developed during the study. Some of the maps contain large amounts of data, so please wait a few seconds for the maps to load properly. The story map has 5 different sections that will guide you through the different components of the study. To get started, click on number 1, Getting Sea Level Rise. Simply scroll down and begin reading. When you encounter a map, you will notice a legend at the bottom left. Hover over the legend to view it. You can pan around the maps or zoom in to make them larger. A map tour is designed to take you on a tour of different locations in the city. Simply continue scrolling to see photos or images associated with these locations. When you encounter a map with an arrow on the right, click to view the next map. Once you get to the end of the section, you can either click on the icon at the top to view all of the sections, or simply click the next arrow. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.